they do not necessarily want to be a member, they can still join the fitness club?
Yes, they may.
And what is the fee for that?
For non-members, it's $20 for a quarter, so we consider a quarter October, November, December,
3 months.
January, February, March. We have them broken up that way. It would be $20 for that three-month period. We are open from 8 until 4 o'clock Monday through Friday, and that's open until 7 o'clock on Wednesday evenings as well.
Okay, so then really you don't have to belong to the senior center to take part in the fitness center health program.
Absolutely.
What is the buddy program that you've instituted?
Well, we do require a buddy system in the fitness center. We don't want somebody in there working out alone if there would be an accident or if they might not feel well or get faint. We want somebody in there who can go get help for them. Call one of the staff attention or something like that. We do not have a full-time staff person in that facility, so we do depend on people to listen to their bodies, be smart about their workout, and that kind of thing. So the buddy is required. You cannot come in and work alone in case you need help. We never know when we might need help, so we have to have that in place.
Fortunately, it's not that far from the main office.
That's right, that's right.
We do know if something goes wrong. And is there a training program for the people?
We do require that if you're going to use the fitness center, we have a form you fill out. You fill out the top part, you take the bottom part to your doctor who okays that is, gives you permission to work on this exercise equipment. And when you've completed that and paid your fee, then I will train you on the equipment one-on-one, and then you will sign that you have been trained on the equipment, and at that point you are ready to come in and use the gym whenever you'd like.
So it's also a backup from the standpoint of wellness, that your physician is aware of what you're doing, your physician has approved what you're doing. And
absolutely. Well, I think it's just a safety thing all the way around. It's just to make sure that, in any fitness program, they always say, check with your physician before beginning any fitness program. So. And
what is the actual membership fee at the center?
Membership at the center is $30 a year for an entire year.
Which is a bargain.
It's a bargain. You get a newsletter, and you get lots of friendship and camaraderie there, and lots of activities from which to choose. So it's $30 for the year. So some people do opt to join the center and then pay that $10 per quarter for the fitness center.
And if they're lucky enough to still have their mate?
I believe that's $40 a year for the year.
Okay. So it is a situation where husband and wife can take part in it. It's a great program as far as overall wellness is concerned. And it's a community facility that has been in existence roughly 44 years. When the senior center was started, that's why the name was Senior Adult Activity Center of Montgomery County, because it was basically the only senior center around. Now, because there are so many other senior centers, Peak and Lansdale, Harleysville, various places, as well as our second site in
Ambler.
Ambler, okay. You don't have a whole lot to do with the Ambler site, but you offer your expertise in programming over there as well. And they run pretty much similar to us?
They have similar programming, similar activities throughout the day. They do offer Boomer University as well. It's more of an evening type thing. People who are still working, that age group, have different interests and want to try something new and that kind of thing. So they also have Boomer U. And the beauty is, if you belong to our center, say the $30 a year, you also belong to Ambler. So you are welcome to take part in any of the programs at either of the sites.
So it does reciprocate the membership.
That's correct.
And I understand one of the most popular Boomer activities is urban dancing. And that certainly is part of wellness as well. So you've got a situation here in downtown Norristown. Our address is 536 George Street. One thing we didn't mention is that part of the wellness program is also bringing in a variety of speakers on various topics, from the Medicare programs to living will issues to arthritis to osteoporosis. You name it, we have a speaker on it. And that's from our social worker, Susan Edgren, who handles that programming part of it. But it's a great place for you to enjoy yourself, to meet people. The one thing I think both of us agree upon very definitely is that the seniors are very, very friendly to anybody new who comes into the building. So whether you're coming in to join, whether you're coming in just for our fitness center, you will be part of the center very, very quickly. And interestingly, you will probably find that you know some of the people that already go there, because many of the people have grown up in Norristown, many of them have worked all their lives in Norristown. So Pat, thank you very much for
Thank you for
coming,
having me.
talking about the wellness at the senior center.
Thank you very much.
And hopefully you'll see some new people as a result
Absolutely.
of our conversation
All right.
today.
Thank you.
Thank you very much on behalf of ICN. My name is Larry Reed.